In this guide, I'll help you connect your Xbox Series X console to your Hisense Google TV 4K and adjust important settings to properly set up gaming mode so that you can get the best out of your Xbox console. First of all, make sure to use the included high-speed HDMI cable so that your Xbox can display 4K in full performance. Also, plug in the power cable properly. After that, we can turn on our Xbox console and you should see the HDMI pop-up on your Hisense TV. And here's our Xbox Series X. Now that your Xbox Series X is connected to your Hisense TV, you'll need to adjust some very important settings first. We will begin by choosing the enhanced HDMI format. To do that, you'll need to press the menu button on your Hisense TV remote, then go to HDMI format and change it to enhanced from standard format by pressing down. And if we look at our left, you'll see there's also the built-in Game Zone feature. Now if you open the first option, you can toggle game information on and off from here. Then if we go to Game Zone settings, from here you can adjust the black and white level and turn on instant game response, which will allow you to enable high refresh rate mode. For some TVs, it may blur your screen, and there's a better way to turn on 120 FPS. You'll need to go to your Xbox console settings, and now from the General tab, go to TV and Display options. First, make sure that you have the highest resolution selected. Then from the refresh rate options, you can turn on 120 Hz. But note that this may lower your TV's resolution, in our case, which is 1080p. So we'll just keep 4K at 60 FPS. Then you'll also need to go to video modes and make sure that all the features are turned on. For example, auto low latency mode, and if your TV supports Dolby Vision, you'll also need to allow Dolby Vision so that you can turn on Dolby Vision for gaming. And lastly, if you're getting too many frames, you can turn on variable refresh rate. And then you can go to Calibrate TV, hit next, and it will recommend you the picture mode. Then just grab your TV remote and adjust these picture settings to match the slider. I'm pretty sure you can do it on your own, so we won't go into the details. And after you have went through all these sliders, your Hisense TV is now properly calibrated with your Xbox Series X. Then there's the device control settings, which is the HDMI-CEC feature. You'll need to turn it on, and then you'll be able to turn on all these handy features, like turning on or turning off your console with your TV or vice versa, control your TV's volume with the console, and then switch to your Xbox by using your console's Xbox button. And after enabling all these, you can use your Xbox console without needing your TV remote. And that's how you properly set up your Xbox Series X console with your Hisense Google TV 4K. If you thought this was useful, then let us know by dropping a like, consider subscribing to our channel for more guides like this, and happy gaming!